Guys, what's up? How are you? Hope you're fine. Now welcome back to another video about ecash, about XEC coin, guys. What's the price of ecash? What's the price changes occurring of ecash? Let me show you guys, but before starting this video, please subscribe my channel for more news and update videos about ecash, guys. Anyways guys, now first of all, if we talk about the price of ecash in the market, so 0.0002105 USD dollar, that is the right now price of ecash XEC coin. Furthermore guys, if we talk about the changes of XEC coin, so negative 6.15% changes occur in a ecash, guys, in a XEC coin, guys. I hope guys that the changes of XEC will become positive. And now especially in this video I'm going to do a prediction about ecash, guys. You can see here guys, that is the last 1 day price chart of ecash, guys, and you can see here guys that the price of the ecash completely going dumps, guys. But guys, if we look the latest situation of ecash, so in the latest situation the price start pumping, guys. You can see here the direction of ecash upward. That's mean that now they are in the pumping mood, but gradually slowly the price of ecash XEC start pumps, guys. And you know what guys, now I believe my prediction about ecash is like that possibilities, guys, that at the last of September, at the last of in the last days of September, possibilities 80% possibilities that ecash price will pump, and absolutely when the price will pump, so you get profit, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe channel.